Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates, levator scapulae, mobilisation and massage. The levator scapulae is generally a stabiliser muscle. It's a strap-like muscle that runs from the superior angle of the shoulder blade here and in a line up to the base of the back corner of the neck and then up the back corner of the neck to vertebrae numbers 1 to 4. It can be very intrusive with its pain, and a lot of this is because it's just holding in one length and it never changes. So to get it healthy, we need to massage it, to get the knots and tight bands out of it, and to also mobilise it and stretch it at the same time. So there's a little bit of technique about getting a comfortable massage out of a levator scapulae, and so it's worth taking the time to learn it properly. One thing you might notice if you do a massage of a levator scapulae, that it can be a bit grumpy and you're feeling a bit sore and uncomfortable for a day or so, but that's all right, it's not life-threatening. It will settle down and it will be starting to get more range of motion into it, and the knots and tight bands will already be starting to respond. It might take 3 to 6 weeks of doing a little bit every day. Just a minute or two is a good place to be. You don't want to stir it up too much all at once. So how do we find the levator scapulae? I'll start at that superior angle of the shoulder blade, just on the muscle there, where it inserts on that superior angle. Now I just roll the fingers over and find a knot, a tight band. Okay, send the shoulder down for a stretch, look down to the side of my body. Now with my fingers I slide the skin up towards the back of my neck. That did not focus the pain, so I slide down, slide a little forward, a little back, until I just find a direction where it's actually focused the pain by just sliding the skin and connective tissue. So that was the lowest part. Let's take it a little higher. Rolling. I'll send my shoulder down and look to the side of my body so that it's under stretch. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's it. It's pinned. Shoulder down, look to the side of my body. Now pulling the muscle one way or another. A little bit higher. Roll. Stretch. Nothing much there. Corner of the neck. I'm going to put the stretch on because that brings the muscle tight and I can actually feel where it is. It's at that back corner of the neck. Ooh, there we go. Shoulder down, look to the side of my body. Slide the skin down and back a little. Up a bit. Oh, okay. And so on, right up to the top of the neck. Now my fingers are getting rather sore and tired after that. So we can use a ball that will actually grip the skin and be able to slide it. So like that, like that. That's a soft ball. And this is a hard lacrosse ball, and either will do quite nicely. And so we can just put the ball over there, just the superior angle of the shoulder blade. Push down, look down, shoulder down, it's under stretch. Oh, there we go. And just roll that ball up to the neck, or maybe down to the shoulder blade, and so on. Pinning, stretching. We can even mobilise. Shoulder up, look up. Muscles short and contracting. Shoulder down, look down to the side of the body. Now we can move and massage, move that ball around on the skin. Ow, there's a good focus spot right there. Good. Stretching, pushing the ball down, the skin's being moved down. Levator scapulae massage, it's worth learning to do it properly because it's a very sore, grumpy area. If your levator scapulae and rhomboids are stuck and they're holding your shoulder blade in to the side of your body, you're going to get very grumpy, you're going to get tired at the end of your day, and you're just not going to be efficient. So it's really worth sorting it out so you really get some good movement in. I'm just going to do some shoulder rolls. This is a nice way to get rhomboids and scapulas just working. Well, you know, my wrist's really relaxed here. Yeah, okay. And the head can move a bit. And we better make sure we do the other side. Now, actually, this side that I've massaged has freed up just so much. I think I'm going to do the other side now. Yeah. So it's feeling a little bit tired and achy, but man, it's a lot freer than the other side. Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates. This was Levator scapulae massage and mobilisation.